Westinghouse wh2000ixlt. Parallel capable digital inverter generator with running 1800 watt and starting 2200 watt. Westinghouse wh2000ixlt. Parallel capable digital inverter generator has 4-stroke 79cc OHV engine. Westinghouse wh2000ixlt parallel capable digital inverter generator is 20.3 inch in length, 12.5 inch in width and 17.8 inch in height. This handy wh2000ixlt parallel capable digital inverter generator provides efficient, quiet and clean power. Westinghouse generator paralleling capability for twice the power plus includes a 12V DC outlet for a variety of uses. Westinghouse generator comes with a 2-year limited warranty at time of purchase. Westinghouse generator weighs about 43 pounds. Economy mode AC overload reset, low oil shutdown, color-coded user touch points. Less than 3% total harmonic distortion THD for use with sensitive electronics. Click link in description below to read products details and customer reviews.